Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 4 for CBSE Board. Chapter number 13 Surface Areas and Volumes. In this lecture, I am going to explain you question 9 from exercise 13.1. Okay, now this is a solid cylinder and this is a hemispheres are scoops from two ends. So, height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter, radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter, and therefore radius of hemisphere is also equal to 3.5 centimeter. The total surface area of the article is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus 2 curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay. Now is equal to 2 pi RH plus 2 into bracket 2 pi R square. So 2 pi RH plus 4 pi R square. In this case you take 2 pi R common. So 2 pi R common into bracket H plus 2R. So substitute values 2 into 22 upon 7 into 3.5 into bracket 10 plus 2 into 3.5 is equal to 2 into 22. So this 7 and this is what divisible. So 0.5 into bracket 10 plus 7 so is equal to 44 into 0.5 into 17. So is equal to 22 into 17 is equal to 374 cm square. Okay. Exercise 13.2. Question number 1. A solid is in the shape of cone standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter and the height of the cone is equal to its radius. Find the volume of the solid in the term of pi. Okay. Now try to understand. Radius of hemisphere is equal to 1 centimeter and radius of cone is also equal to 1 centimeter. Height h of cone is equal to 1 centimeter given volume of solid is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. So is equal to pi r square into h upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 pi r cube. So pi into 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 pi into 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to pi upon 3 plus 2 pi upon 3. If you simplify this you will get 3 pi upon 3 and is equal to pi cm cube. So therefore the volume of this solid is equal to pi cm cube. Okay. Question number 2. Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends by using a thin aluminum sheet. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter and its length is equal to 12 centimeter. If each cone has a height of 2 centimeter, find the volume of air contained in the model. Okay. Now this is the shape of model. Middle part is of cylindrical shape and now here at the two ends there are cone. Now radius of cone and cylinder is equal to 3 upon 2 centimeter height of cone is equal to 2 centimeter, height of cylinder is equal to 8 centimeter, because total is equal to 12 centimeter given. So therefore figure is important, so that you will get what some dimensions. So 12 centimeter, this is complete height is told 12 centimeter. This is 2 and this is 2. So subtract 2 4 from this, you will get height of cylinder, that is 8 centimeter. Volume of model is equal to 2 into bracket volume of cone plus volume of cylinder is equal to 2 into bracket 22 upon 7 is equal to 2 into pi r square into h upon 3 plus pi r square into h. So is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7. So this 22 upon 7 is not there. 22 upon 7 into 3 upon 2 into 3 upon 2 into 2 upon 3 plus 22 upon 7 into 3 upon 2 into 3 upon 2 into 8. Simplify this. 22 upon 7 into 9 upon 4 into 4 upon 3 plus 22 upon 7 into 9 upon 4 into 8. Okay. Is equal to 22 upon 7 into 9 upon 4 into bracket 4 upon 3 plus 8 is equal to 11 into 9 upon 7 into 2 into bracket 28 upon 3. Simplify this, you will get 11 into 6, 66 cm cube, and therefore volume of air contained in the model is equal to 66 cm cube. Okay. Question number 3. A gulab jamun contain sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends, with length 5 cm and diameter 2.8 centimeter. Okay, so this is a figure of gulab jamun. These are two ends which are hemispherical. This is cylindrical. Okay. Diameter of spherical ends is equal to 2.8 centimeter, and therefore radius is equal to 1.4 centimeter, and therefore length of cylindrical shape is equal to total is equal to 5. 5 minus 28. 2.8 is equal to 2.2 centimeter. So volume of gulab jamun is equal to 2 into bracket volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder is equal to volume. So volume is equal to 2 into bracket 2 upon 3 pi r cube plus pi r square into h. Simplify this. 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 1.4 into 1.4 into 1.4 plus 22 upon 7 into 1.4 into 1.4 into 2.2. If you simplify this, you will get 22 upon 7 into 1.4 into 1.4. I take common and into bracket 4 upon 3 into 1.4 plus 2.2. 6.16 into bracket 12.2 upon 3. If you simplify this, you will get volume of syrup. This is the volume of syrup. So volume of syrup is equal to 30% of this. So is equal to 30 upon 100 into 6.16 into 12.2 upon 3. And if you simplify this, you will get 7.5152 cm cube. So this is the volume of syrup in 1 gulab jamun, and therefore volume of syrup in 45 gulab jamun is equal to 7.5152 into 45, and if you simplify this you will get 338.184 cm cube. Okay, so this example is slightly complicated, values are complicated to simplify properly. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear students, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.